'Tis the season to prep your home for fall and winter maintenance. This is TJ with Eco Elements. We want to talk about home energy maintenance and efficiency in the winter. First thing you need to do is get a furnace tune-up. Have an HVAC company come out and service that unit. Make sure it's ready to be utilized for when you need that heat in winter. The other things you need to do on that system are change the filter. And the other thing we want to look at is the chimney. If you have a wood burning stove, we naturally want that chimney cleaned and ready to go properly so that when you need to use that, we don't have any birds' nests in there, we don't have any raccoons living in there, those type of things, because naturally we need that to breathe and we don't want that carbon monoxide in your home. Another way to maintain heat is check the levels of insulation in your attic. Insulation should be reapplied roughly every 8 to 10 years. So depending on how long it's been since you've added a layer to it, naturally, you may need to add some more. Along with that, you'll also need to look at the caulk around your windows as well as the weather stripping around your doors. The more airtight and efficient we make those areas, the less energy we'll be losing during the winter and the less drafty your home will be. The last thing on the list you want to look at is maintaining and cleaning your gutters. We don't want any buildup of water in there that's going to turn into freezing and potential ice damming. That's going to cause issues to your shingles. That's going to bring water into your attic and ruin some of the insulation and also cause mold or mildew growth in the future. So just make sure those gutters are clean and ready to go. The best way to have happy holidays is to address those maintenance things early in the season. Eco Elements is here to help. To learn more tips and tricks, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.